Good morning, I am Christina Sagaret
Hi everyone, I am Erica Jane Permelona
from Abel 3A. In this video, I want to share what I have learned in our topics from week 1 until week 5. Language has been a great topic in this generation. We know that people are more careful in using words or languages before they speak for avoid having some stereotypes.
Linguistic scientific study of language. It composed the analysis of every aspect of language as well as the methods for studying and modeling them. The traditional areas of linguistic analysis include morphology, syntax, semantic, and pragmatic.
In this case, linguistics is more important to learn because in this topic talks about language and how it works, how it acquired, and how people use this as a use of communication. The key insight that language can be seen as form of action. The idea of uttering as acting is an important one and it is also central in critical language study in the form of claim like when we are doing some actions when we want to do some speech act like promising, warning, referring to someone or something. Linguists are more conscious about how the language works rather than having the ability to speak and understand multiple language.
The language we speak influence many different things. It can impact the way that we think about time, space, and even colors. People will speak different language, focus on different things, depending on the words or sentence structure available to them. It influences our throughout processes and our feelings.
Language also captures unique conceptualization of the world because as we observe, human develops different kind of languages where they use it as a communicating ideas. Sometimes this is the reason of having some trend in all social media platforms because we have a lot of knowledge about language where we can use it to improve our communication between people. Peter Garrard talks about the transformation of text by a computer can expose unseen information, reflecting writers' cognitive status and even personality. He also talks about the effect of dementia in speech and language, where they experience changes in the brain's temporal lobe that affect their ability to process language. That's why they have the difficulties in memorizing a words, having a less vocabulary, and difficulties in speaking a language without stammering. As we observe, people have dementia, they talk little by little, but sometimes they forget what they are talking or what they want to say. Some of them, they cannot control their emotions and their personalities may change like they are already shouting, got panic, and even stomping. We have a language called mother tongue. This is the first language that we have since we are born in this world because this way we can adapt the language of the people who surround us. And this is our parent where we can produce sounds based on what we hear for us to express our language. Cultural background is the example of the problem encountered because this is the reason why some minority language or it can be the language from an ethnic group that marginalized just because they do not have an access to education. In a languages, it can be a hindrance for them to learn a new knowledge or language, just because of their social status or being a part of a cycle of poverty, where they have been discriminated because they are not aware of the majority language used in culture. Language continue to improve that can develop and improve changing social, cultural, political, economic, and spiritual needs and goals. Language continue to improve that develop and improve changing social, cultural, political, economic, spiritual, and goals. Language has a power to alienate those who do not speak it properly because this is the only way to bring people together to enrich their relationship. If we have the power or ability to use language that will allow us to clearly communicate an exact idea to another person. We all know that we have a different feeling and intuition about something. That's why we don't easily believe to a one information about something. Because we consider to make it in a verbal way, where we can see and put into words, where we can able to determine if the speaker is telling the truth based on how they deliver their words and by their facial expression. Discourse aim on how practices put into ideas and ideas put into practice towards human understanding and application to life. The powerful the words you have, the possible you have a better and clear understanding to something without having some miscommunication or to offend someone. Discourse transmit and produce power. People think and talk differently, where it influence and reflect the way we act in relation of subject or based on an event. The powerful the words you have, the possible you have a better and clear understanding to something without having some misconnection or to offend someone because of the use of words or language. We must know that there is a lot of social factors that can affect our ideas about the truth. Language has a power to understand where it can express one's emotion, show love or hate, and it could give meaning. For example, where we want to say something but we are hesitant to show it in a nonverbal for us to understand each other, we usually use verbal way to convey a message to a one person to show sincerity about something. Having a different language is difficult when communicating because you don't even know if the language that you have a different meaning to others. That's why communication brings people close to each other. It helps to build a strong relationship that make us understand each other. We all know that communicating with someone is the best way to convey some ideas where we can spread information to each other. So communication is very important when you are in a one organization because this is the best way for you to be more active and cooperative. Like there is a group meeting where you can freely express your thoughts and even your suggestions. To something new, the way of representing a knowledge to a one particular topic because the way we think and the way we talk can reflect our personality. For example, when you are in an open place and you are observing someone through physical or their behavior, you can already determine if they are good in speaking, and through speaking, you can already determine if a person have a good educational background or what social status they belong. That's why we have been encountered a lot of hindrance through language that can already affect one's personality or even their behavior.